Looking for the best environmental science project ideas? Let's explore the top 9. Rainwater is collected and stored for future use. Save water, save life. Solar panels convert sunlight into clean electricity for homes. Wind turbines use wind power to generate eco-friendly electricity. Keep rivers clean to protect aquatic life and our environment. Reduce air pollution with clean energy and more green trees. Separate waste correctly. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Smart irrigation saves water while helping crops grow better. Green cities use clean energy, parks, and eco-friendly transportation. Protect nature today for a greener and healthier tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Abis Creativity for more amazing school project ideas.